A slight change in tone from the president from what we heard last month about a signing summit that he's planning.
Yeah, he seems to be managing expectations somewhat here, Yvonne, perhaps trying to send a reassuring signal to President Xi, of course, of China as well, that he's not looking for a repeat of Hanoi necessarily, whereby President Trump walked away from that negotiating table with Kim Jong-un of North Korea. There's some degree of scepticism and wariness in China that something similar would happen to them if they were to go to Mar-a-Lago for a summit. But I think the bigger picture remains, though, that the trade talks do appear to remain on track towards some kind of a negotiated outcome. We do have these warnings from Mr. Lighthizer, for example, that major issues still need to be resolved, and of course we have President Trump's sort of degree of caution there. But nonetheless, compared to where we were as recently as the beginning of the year, it feels as though we're still on track for some kind of at least an extension of the trade truce.
Yeah, what would China be willing to get out of this deal? I mean, what would it be considered fair? Do tariffs need to be off the table?
It is interesting. One of the consistent lines that has come out of the reporting on the Chinese side is that they do want these tariffs to be removed. They're not willing to come to the table and just buy goods and just open up parts of the economy to meet some of these concerns that the US have. They want something back in return, and those areas of concerns point to the tariffs, and they do want those tariffs to be lifted. It's a question of how that deal can be enforced and at what point the US reaches a degree of comfort whereby they can say, OK, we will lift the tariffs now.